I finally got the new Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4, and to be honest, I've never thought I would ever be this excited to get a foldable phone, but this 4th Gen Galaxy Flip I think will be a game changer. When it came to the color, I decided to get the pink gold. I thought about getting the bespoke edition, but to be honest, I didn't want to wait another month, so I just decided to get this color instead. The pink gold looks pretty neat. It's a different shade of pink compared to my Note 20 Ultra, but it looks pretty good. The edges look really nice and I'm liking the design a lot. I got a locked version, so I only have to set up my eSIM, which was as smooth as I expected and only took me like a minute. I had the Note 20 Ultra for almost 2 years, since getting a phone every 2 years makes the most sense to me, unless there is some drastic change in quality, and that doesn't usually happen. Transferring all my data to my new Galaxy took about half an hour, but it was seamless, except that I had to literally log into every app, which is understandable but also time consuming. These are some of the tips and features of the phone. I don't think I'm gonna get through everything today, but it's nice to have it handy to read it later as I explore different ways of using this phone. Now I'm gonna customize my cover screen, and of course I spent some time to get an aesthetic background to complement my style. There are different styles and font sizes to change up the time and day on the cover screen, but the default option looks the best, so I'm just gonna keep it. Gotta say though, the cover screen is my second favorite thing about this phone so far, and the background made my phone look effortlessly aesthetic. Unfolding the phone takes 2 hands in most cases, but at least it's relatively easier to fold it with one hand. The camera display on the cover screen is such a nice addition. Especially flex mode makes it very convenient when I'm trying to take a picture or recording a video. Here I'm just connecting my watch to the phone and downloading the app to do it. And now I'm just taking selfies and short videos to try out the camera, see the quality, and the experience is very different and refreshing, especially with the rich color palette. I got a pink case because the color was the cutest, aside from the purple, of course. I love the ring idea, especially how flexible it is. It also helps secure my phone when I fold it. When swiping to the right, I can see multiple widgets, including YT Music, the weather, my alarms, the timer, and Samsung Health. And when I swipe right, I can see my notifications. Also, if I swipe up, I can access my Samsung wallet with my fingerprint. The right edge of the phone has the volume buttons and the power button that also doubles as a fingerprint scanner. The ring case is very flexible, especially since it secures the phone and lets me hold it like a small purse. The last thing I want to mention is the crease. Yes, it is visible to an extent, and I can still feel it when my finger moves across the screen, but it's not really visible when I play something or use the phone while it's fully unfolded. I gotta say, it doesn't really bother me because I don't mostly notice it, and even with the slight visibility, the display quality is still the same. Even with multitasking, this phone makes it so easy to place it on a flat surface and just use it without a stand, which is really what makes it special. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and comment below about what you think of the phone. And I'll see you again in another video.